Well, hello, it's Blue Boy here again, and today I'm going to give you my 3 plus 1 bonus luxury items that I like to take hiking. Now, no one tagged me to do this video, so I had a big old cry. No, I didn't. I'm grown up. I'm just going to give you my 3 anyway because I thought it was cool and I've spent some time thinking about it. So, let's get started. So here's my number 1 luxury item. It's an empty cream bottle, 600 mils. It's 28 grams or 1 ounce, and I use it as a wee bottle, so I don't have to get up in the middle of the night. Got a nice big cap on the top, where you know what, and it seals up good, so I can have a uninterrupted sleep all night without having to get up for the call of nature. So that's number 1. Number 2, my luxury item, which I called Blue. So this is my pump bag. It allows me to blow up my inflatable pad without getting all dizzy and like crazy in the head because I've had to blow it up in my mouth and my lungs. So this is a Montbell one, and I've got a few, like we've got one from a Thermarest, if I take a Thermarest as well. It requires blowing up, but it's got a little cap on the bottom here, and it plugs into the inflatable thing that you put into the pump bag. That's the one I took last time, and it blows it up nice and fast. You can see a little video of it. And the great thing is it actually operates as a really great dry bag for my clothes. So like I kept my clothes and stuff in there last time, and I just put my clothes there, I do a little spin like that, fold it up. It's got a big long neck there. It's like 30 or 40 litres in capacity, maybe something like that, or maybe not that much. And then it actually operates as a real sealed up dry bag for my clothes, so I actually like that. And it allowed me to like use it as a bag for other stuff as well, but mostly clothes. So my third item is what I call Co for my coffee, and that is I bring a lid for my pot. Now whether that's the 450 Snow Peak pot or mug, I bring that lid that allows me to sip my coffee, keep it hot and sip it without getting my mouth burned on the top of that. So that's 30 grams or about a bit over 1 ounce. Or if I'm bringing this pot, which is a 650 ml mug, then I bring another different pot, like lid. And that one's just a little bit heavier, but the same idea. You can seal up the top and then use it to sip your coffee without getting the coffee cold too quickly or your lips burned. Now for my bonus luxury item, which is what I call the glow item, and that is a little crushable lantern shade that gives me great light at night time in my tent. So I use my headlamp and I put that in there like this little guy here, and then I seal it up and I put it on like that, and then you can hang it from your top of your tent. And this works really great in the new Z-Pax Plexamid because the light scatters down the side of the sloping walls and just lights up the whole tent brilliantly in combination with this and the headlamp. So that's a crushable lantern from Montbell. It's only 7 grams or 0.25 ounces, and so that is an amazing luxury item. So none of these 4 items is actually necessary, but they just make life a bit nicer. So who would I like to see their luxury items? Well, I'd like to see Bungzy's Ultralight reviews. Bungzy, I'd like to see your 3 items. I'd also like to see a new YouTuber called Viscous Landen. He's done some amazing videos. He's really into ultralighting, and I love what he's doing. And I'd also like to see Kirk. I'd like to see your 3 favourites. So Hans is from the Nordic regions up in Norway or somewhere up like that. He makes really good videos, puts lots of effort into it. I'd like to see your 3 luxury items, Hans. So that's it, that's mine.